Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of buying second-hand products. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. Buying second-hand products has become increasingly popular over the past years. Many people become more aware of our environmental problems and want to make a positive contribution to protect our planet. Moreover, used goods are usually much cheaper compared to new ones, and you can save plenty of money in the long run by relying on second-hand products. However, although there are many advantages of buying used goods, there are still some problems related to this concept. In this article, the pros and cons of second-hand products are examined. Advantages of buying used goods. You can save significant amounts of money by buying second-hand products. One major advantage of buying used is that you can save plenty of money in the long run. In fact, while you have to spend large amounts of money on things when you buy them new, you can get the same items almost for free if you buy them used. In fact, there are many online platforms out there where people can list their used items. Quite often, there is also a free section, and if you don't want to spend any money at all, you will find plenty of free stuff which is often also in quite good condition. Hence, if you currently are on a budget and don't want to spend too much money for new things, buying second-hand products can be a great way to save significant amounts of money. More efficient resource use. If you buy second-hand products, you can also contribute to a much more efficient use of our natural resources. In fact, in our current state of the world, people buy plenty of new stuff just to dispose of it just a few years after they bought them. In my opinion, this is just a huge unnecessary waste of our natural resources, and we should buy much more used items in order to use our natural resources as efficiently as possible. Can help to mitigate the resource depletion issue. Using our natural resources in an efficient manner is crucial to overcome the natural resources depletion problem. If we continue as we did in the past decades, chances are that many fossil resources will become depleted quite soon in the future. Hence, if we want to maintain our high living standards, we also have to protect our natural resources as best as possible, and this also implies buying used instead of new things. Our natural resources are not only crucial for the production of many things of our daily lives, they are also crucial when it comes to ensuring the supply of important medical devices and also to assure a rapid technological progress. Consequently, resource depletion is a problem that affects various parts of our life, and it is therefore crucial that we buy more second-hand items and fewer new items in order to preserve our natural resources as best as possible. Buying second-hand can help to reduce air pollution. Another upside of buying second-hand is that we can also significantly reduce air pollution. In the production process of our material goods, significant amounts of harmful gases and particles are emitted into our air, which greatly lower our overall air quality. In turn, this can lead to serious health problems like lung cancer or asthma in the long run. Even cardiovascular issues related to air pollution and particle pollution are possible. Hence, in order to mitigate those problems, it is crucial that we buy more used products and fewer new products. By doing so, we have to produce fewer new products and can significantly reduce our overall emission levels. Can slow down global warming to a certain extent. If we have to produce fewer new items, we also have to emit lower amounts of greenhouse gases into the air. In turn, the global warming problem and the related adverse effects can also be mitigated to a certain extent. Thus, through the use of second-hand products, you can also make a positive contribution in terms of climate change, which can benefit many poor people all over the world and can also ensure a livable future for the next generations. Used goods are often of quite good quality. In our current state of the world, many people, especially in our rich Western world, buy excessive amounts of material things on a regular basis. However, this also implies that those people also don't use those products too often. In turn, many of those used items are still of quite decent quality and there will often just be no reason to buy new versions of those products due to that. Consequently, if you find many used products that are almost as good as the new versions of them, you can definitely go for the used ones since you will have a quite good experience most of the time. You can do the previous owner a favor. The garages and the basements of many people are often also crammed with stuff they no longer need. In fact, those people would often have a much better time to give those things away in order to get more space. Therefore, by buying used stuff instead of new products, you can also do many homeowners a favor since people are often feel quite relieved when they finally get rid of their old stuff. Hence, not only can you do yourself and our environment a huge favor by buying used, you can also do your neighbors a favor by buying from garage sales. Significant waste reduction. Another benefit of buying second-hand products is that we can also greatly reduce our waste problem. Due to the excessive consumption of material goods over the past decades, the production of waste has become a serious environmental issue. People are now able to consume many new things since those material goods have become quite cheap due to mass production technologies. However, since many people throw away their used stuff after using those things for just a few times, we produce enormous amounts of waste. In order to get rid of this waste, we can either burn it or dispose of it into landfills. Both methods are rather harmful to our environment since they imply significant soil and air pollution. Therefore, in order to reduce our waste production and the significant adverse effects related to it, we should buy much more used items instead of new ones. Less need for environmental dumping. Many countries also don't want to deal with all this waste and try to get rid of it by engaging in a concept called environmental dumping. Environmental dumping refers to a state where the rich Western world ships its trash to poor developing countries in order to get rid of it. While this can be quite comfortable for those rich Western countries since they get rid of their waste in a rather simple manner, it can have detrimental effects for the waste-receiving countries since they often drown in waste. Making things worse, the working conditions of people who have to process this waste are often quite poor. Therefore, in order to avoid environmental dumping and to improve the overall living conditions of people in poor parts of our planet, we should refrain from buying new things and use our old things as efficiently as possible. This also implies buying more used stuff instead of relying on new items. Insurance premiums may be lower. Buying used can also have positive effects on your insurance premiums. For instance, if you buy a used car instead of a new model, you will have to pay significantly lower insurance premiums since the value of your used car is much lower. Hence, you can not only save plenty of money by buying a used car instead of a new one regarding the initial purchase price, you can also save significant amounts of money on insurance in the long run. You will become more aware of our environmental problems. Another advantage of buying second-hand is that your overall awareness level regarding our environmental problems will increase as well. Many people in our nowadays society are still not aware of how harmful excessive consumption can really be for our planet. By living a second-hand product lifestyle, you can learn a lot on how to minimize your negative impact on our environment, and you may also be able to meet many like-minded people who share the same values with you. In the long run, you may even be able to make many new friends if you buy more used products instead of new ones. Moreover, you may also be able to convince your family and friends about the importance of lowering our consumption levels in order to protect our planet. Buying used products is good for our environment. As we have seen before, buying second-hand products can not only save you plenty of money, it can also do many good things for our environment in general. Hence, if you want to do good for our planet and if you want to ensure a livable future for the next generations, go for used things instead of buying unnecessary new versions of them. You can be a positive role model for your kids. It is also quite important to be a good role model for your kids. You may not notice it, but you have a huge influence on how your children will behave later on in their lives. Quite often, children adapt many characteristics and ways of life from their parents. Thus, if you want to be a good role model for your kids and want that they behave eco-friendly once they grow up, it makes sense to show them early on that there are many benefits related to buying used goods instead of new ones. Buying used can help you get a clean conscience. Let's be honest. Many of us have become much more aware of our environmental problems, and we also know how we can make a positive impact in this regard. Hence, you may feel rather guilty if you still rely on new products instead of used ones, since you will know deep inside that this consumption behavior is quite harmful for our planet. Therefore, in order to feel better and to get a much cleaner conscience, you may want to buy more used products instead of relying on new ones. Disadvantages of second-hand products. No warranty on used products. Although there are many important advantages of used goods, there are still some issues related to them. For example, one problem of buying second-hand products is that you will often get no warranty at all. Say you buy a used item today. If it breaks down tomorrow, you will often have no chance to get your money back. Therefore, if you want to rely on used products, make sure that you take your time and search for damages or flaws in order to minimize the risk of buying products that might stop working soon. Some second-hand products no longer work properly. Some second-hand products may also no longer have the same performance like new ones. While many used items may still be working, new versions of them may work much better. Hence, if you want to have top performance for all your products, buying used products may not be for you at all. Used products may be less reliable. Another downside of buying used goods is that they will often also be far less reliable. For instance, a used car will be at much greater risk to break down sooner or later compared to a new version of it. While this will be rather unproblematic for some products, it can end in a disaster for others. In the case of a car breakdown, you may miss important meetings at work and may get fired in the worst case. You may also miss the birthday of your child or several other important occasions. Hence, if the reliability of your products is quite important to you and you cannot afford any complications with them in the near future, you may want to go for new instead of used products in such a case in order to minimize the risk for breakdowns or other issues. Lifespans of used goods may be rather limited. Also, the overall lifespan of used products may be rather limited. In fact, many electronic items in our nowadays world are built to last for just a few years. After this period, they often become quite vulnerable to several issues and may no longer work properly. Consequently, this also implies that if you buy used electronics that are already a few years old, you will be at great risk that your electronics will no longer work for too long. Hence, make sure to factor this in when it comes to buying used items of a certain product group. Getting second-hand products can be time-consuming. Buying new things is quite easy. You just shop online or go to your local store. You will often have a huge variety of products you can choose from, and it will not take too much time until you find something you really like. However, this is often not true for used products. Quite often, you will have to search for a long time to find used products that are suitable for you. Moreover, once you see those products in person, you will often also be disappointed since those products looked much nicer on picture. Therefore, if you want to live the used product life, make sure that you have a high level of patience and that you are willing to invest time and effort to search and find good used products. Limited variety of used goods. Finding good used products can not only be time-consuming, there will also be a quite confined variety of used products out there that fit your preferences. This is especially true if you live in a rural area, since there will not be too many people living in your region, and therefore, you may just have a rather hard time to rely on used products on a long-term basis. Some second-hand items are damaged. While many second-hand products have minor damages, some of them will even no longer work at all. However, some owners simply don't care about this fact and still offer those broken and useless products. Thus, make sure that you try those products and make that they are working in order to avoid any unpleasant surprises later on. Fewer goods for charity. Another downside of buying used goods is that there will also be fewer used things available to charity and welfare. In fact, if we use our goods more efficiently and for longer periods of time, there will be fewer material things that people donate. In turn, people who rely on those welfare programs may have a quite hard time since they will no longer have access to goods they urgently need for their daily lives. Problems with bacteria and germs. While some people take good care of their products and maintain them on a regular basis, other people just don't care about their material things at all. However, if people don't take efforts to keep their things clean, chances are that germs and bacteria may develop over time. Thus, if you buy used things that are rather dirty and scruffy, chances are that you will even be at risk to catch a disease. Many people still consider new products to be status symbols. It is quite sad, but many people in our nowadays society still consider new fancy products as status symbols and want to brag with their new fancy stuff in front of their friends. Therefore, many people will simply not be willing to buy used things since they fear that their social circle will simply not accept this sort of consumption behavior. Used products may be unhygienic. Some people also don't like to buy used products since they consider them to be rather unhygienic. In fact, many people don't want to use couches or beds which had been used before due to potential hygienic problems. Flaws of used products may be invisible. Another problem of buying used products is that many flaws of those products may not be visible to you at first glance. In fact, many products may look quite good on pictures, yet they may still have serious problems and may no longer work properly. Hence, if you want to rely on used products, make sure that they work in a proper manner before deciding to buy them. Should you buy second-hand products? As we can see from the discussion before, there are numerous advantages and disadvantages of buying used goods. In my opinion, we should definitely buy more second-hand products in order to preserve our natural resources and to protect our environment in general. However, if you also want to rely on used products, make sure that you test them before buying those products so that you can be sure that those products are still working. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.